Gujarat is one of the country's most enterprising states in the pharmaceutical sector. Its contribution in the growth of India's pharmaceutical industry is significant. The state accounts for an impressive 42% of the Indian pharma sector's turnover and is responsible for 22% of exports. Employing over 52,000 people, Gujarat has hundreds of pharma companies, and one of these has made a mark for itself in the niche field of pain management. Troika Pharmaceuticals, established in the year 1984, initially began manufacturing basic products. But over the years, the vision and business acumen of entrepreneur Ketan Patel has led it to unfathomable heights of success.
First year probably we just clocked around 9 lakhs because we used to make generic Me Too products and everybody was making what we were making. So that was then. Since then we've done well. Everybody was making what we were making. So that was then. Since then we've done well. We changed our business strategy and we've clocked around 220 crores last year. And we have, the best part is we've been growing at between 35 to 40% in the last 5-6 years time.
The company manufactures a wide range of drugs like nutrition, dietary supplements, antidotes, antibiotics, and a basket of products for pain management. The company's main focus is on innovation in the pharma sector. With its team of experts and scientists, it does a complete study of existing products to improve its efficiency and offer the best possible products to the end user.
Essentially our expertise in pain management. We have in-depth basket of products which cover acute pain, chronic pain, even cancer pain. And some of them are first of their kind. The biggest brand is Dynapar AQ, which is the world's first painless diclofenac injectable. It is significantly superior to the original inventor brand from the MNC. And as a result, in 2.5 years, it has garnered almost 35-40% market share from the MNC, and it continues to grow at more than 30%.
Troika has its 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing units in Ahmedabad and Dehradun, consisting of high-end machinery and infrastructure. The company firmly believes in the essence of quality, for which it leaves no stone unturned. Special training programs are designed for employees so that the company maintains its product quality at every stage.
We firmly believe that first of all quality flows from the philosophy of the management, which is very firmly in place. That we really at the bottom of our heart don't believe in compromising or cutting corners anywhere. Saying that, there are also certain practical measures and the systems which are in place, beginning with the quality measures which begin at the procurement of the material till its final testing.
The company has an in-house laboratory and a research and development department that is equipped with the latest technology for better research of products. It also understands the importance of effective packaging of its products in the highly competitive pharma market. This helps Troika give out a clear message to doctors as well as patients across the world.
In Troika, we do take care of each and every aspect of designing, because in pharmaceutical market, packaging designing is a very important thing, starting from its font because of the legibility, color combinations and the message which should deliver to the physician, doctor and the customer very clearly.
With innovation and good quality, Troika has achieved a huge client base in the domestic as well as international markets. Around 30% of its production is exported to 67 countries around the world. Today, its drugs are prescribed by a wide network of doctors in India, and it also caters to the demands of reputed hospitals like Fortis.
We started with one country around 5-6 years ago, and that was Mauritius. And the first order I remember was 780 US. But that was of a unique, innovative product. And today we supply that product to the tune of around 50,000 US. But put together, the export, because of this innovation and specialized products and good quality, has spread to almost 67 countries. So it covers the entire Southeast Asia, the Asian countries surrounding India, parts of the Middle East, the almost entire Latin, And the next foray would of course be into the regulated markets.
India's pharmaceutical industry is now the third largest in the world in terms of volume, and it ranks 14th in terms of value. With a burgeoning global population and its continuously increasing demand for quality medicines, companies like Troika surely have a bright future ahead.